have any pain in that knee, it works perfectly. My name is Jared. I'm 44. Oh yeah, I had trouble going up and down steps with my knee. I have 3 kids, so it's hard to go up and down steps carrying kids, and that was like, got to me that I'm already needing surgery on my knee, and helped me to go through that with not needing surgery. Because I had severe pain in my knee, I couldn't get down on my knee, couldn't go up and down steps. Yeah, I thought it'd be painful.
Was it?
No, it wasn't as painful as I thought it'd be. Pretty simple and easy. It was like hardly any pain actually to do the procedure. Only like a day or two in that weekend, and I was back to work next week. 4 days total. They should seriously consider it to get a procedure done, because it fixes things quickly and easily.